Hi there! I want to thank you for allowing me to send over this quick video. Once again, my name is Jessica and I run Genuine Leads Marketing. And today I just wanted to go over just a couple of tips to help your company appear at the top of more Google search results for free. And you can most certainly use this information on your own, or you can simply implement it. But if you would like my assistance, I'm only a phone call away. So the first thing I'm going to go over is command content. So anywhere on your homepage where you have any types of words, Google would like to see at least 1,500 words of command content throughout your homepage. And the reason for that is Google crawls websites 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And doing so, they want to know what services you offer and what areas you serve, okay? So right now you have about 245 words of command content. So you would definitely have to bring that up to the 1,500 mark, okay? So I would definitely beef that up and make sure you guys get some content or writing throughout your first page, okay? And all your other pages right here, they want to see at least 500 words on each of those as well. So having your site built this way shows Google that you're an expert in the industry, and in turn your site will pop up more often in Google searches, okay? So moving on. So you're going to see 3 companies, and you want to pop up in as many of these top 3s as possible. So that's for all the counties you service, all the cities you service. If you service other states, stuff like that, you're going to want to pop up in all those as well. And this generates about 30% of traffic to your website each month, okay? And I see you're in the number 2 spot. And your organic listings right here, you want to try and be in top 3 as well. And that's about 70% of traffic to your website each month, okay? And the reason for this is because when people are looking for a specific contractor like yourself, they type in a certain keyword, which I'll touch base on that here in a minute. And that they usually call somebody within the top 3 of the Google Map Pack. Now, the way these companies get into the top 3 is to have the most keywords in their website, and they also have to have the most citations, okay? So a citation is anytime your business name, phone number, and address is listed into another website. Google will issue you 1 citation for that, okay? And I talked about earlier about organic keywords. And that's anytime that a potential customer would type into Google in order to find your services, okay? So, moving forward, let's go ahead and see how your website is ranking. So this is your website right here. And the first number that you're going to see right here, this is your trust factor with Google. And they rate this from 0 to 100. And 100 is going to be the very best that you can get. And this is your power rating. This is how Google sees your website, like how powerful your website is to Google. And they also rate this 0 out of 100. You have 290 backlinks. And a backlink is pretty much a shout out from another website. And this gives you power and exposure, okay? You have 79 organic keywords. And you're bringing about 57 people into your website each month, okay? So the amount of traffic you have is going to go directly to correlate with the amount of keywords you have and backlinks you have, okay? So that's why it's really important to have these 2 beefed up, okay? So what we do, when we bring on a new client, we go through all of your competition and we go through all their backlinks and see what backlinks they're pushing the very most traffic to your competition. Then we go through keywords and make sure you're ranking for the very most top used ones in your industry. And then we go ahead and find backlinks that are on none of your competition, and we go ahead and put those into your website as well. So what that does is it's going to bring you traffic to your domain right here, bring it above ranking, and any of your competition. That's why you're going to dominate the market, okay? You're going to have more traffic, and you're going to be the one who's popping up in most Google searches for them keywords, okay? So I know this sounds like a lot, but if you take these simple steps, you will absolutely benefit from the results. And if you would like our help to get that done, just let me know, okay? But I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up. But like I said before, you can take this information and do with it as you please. You can either simply do it yourself, or you can give me a call, which I'll link my information in the description below, okay? But also I'm going to ask, give me some feedback on this. Even if you're not interested, that's totally fine. No harm, no foul in that. But if you do have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me, okay? Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.